Mandurriao Plaza is a historic public space located at the heart of the district, serving as a central landmark that connects the community rich past with its vibrant present. Formerly named after the renowned writer and leader Serapion C. Torre, this park stands as symbol of local pride and heritage, surrounded by lush greenery and historical structure. It remains a beloved place for relaxation, gathering, and cultural activities, truly representing the spirit of the Mandurriaonon people. The name Mandurriao is said to come from the two legendary crocodiles, Mando and Riao, who fought in the area during the Spanish era. Officially founded as a town in 1726, it became part of the municipality of Iloilo in 1903 and was later designated as one of the Iloilo City's district in 1937. From 1937 to 2007, it hosted the old Mandurriao Airport, the main gateway to Western Visayas, and has since been developed into Iloilo New Central Business District. Serapion C. Torre. Serapion C. Torre is widely known as the father of modern Hiligaynon literature. He was born in Mandurriao and became a famous poet, novelist, and playwright. He also served as the municipal president of Iloilo from 1923 to 1925. In his honor, the main public square in the area was named Plaza Serapion C. Torre. General Martin Teofilo Delgado was a revolutionary hero and the first governor of Iloilo. He bravely led the fight for independence against both Spanish and American forces. Today, his monument stands proudly at the Iloilo Business Park as a lasting symbol of bravery and patriotism. Mandurriao is the second largest district of Iloilo City, covering 13.78 square kilometers in the central western area, and bordering Haro, La Paz City proper, Molo, Arevalo, Pabia, and Oton. It has a population of 66,464, where residents called Mandurriaonon speak Hiligaynon, English, and Tagalog. The land is generally flat and ideal for development, featuring many green spaces and parks, known as the district that never slept. It is a major business hub boasting Iloilo Business Park, Atria Park District, SM City Iloilo, and Smallville Complex. It thrives in BPO, IT, commerce, real estate, hospitality, and event management, providing livelihood in business, office work, service, tourism, and trade. The Mandurriao Fiesta is celebrated every November 26 in honor of Saint Joseph the Worker. This occasion is filled with street parties, food stalls, and cultural shows that bring the community together. The district also hosts major activities and concerts related to the world-famous Dinagyang Festival. One of the most visited places is the Iloilo River Esplanade, which is a beautiful riverside park perfect for walking and enjoying the sunset. Art lovers can visit the Iloilo Museum of Contemporary Art, or ILOMOCA, which is the first museum dedicated to modern art in Visayas and Mindanao. Other attractions include Festive Walk Mall with its European-inspired architecture, as well as the historical Mandurriao Plaza and Church. Food and delicacies. When it comes to food, Mandurriao is famous for offering a wide variety of local and international cuisines. It is definitely one of the best places to taste authentic Ilonggo dishes like batchoy, pancit molo, and bizcocho.